This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pho easy. We'll dive straight into a streamlined process that brings the comforting flavors of Vietnamese pho right to your kitchen. Forget about simmering bones for an entire day. Our method focuses on efficiency without sacrificing taste. You'll be surprised how quickly you can assemble a bowl of this aromatic noodle soup, perfect for any day of the week. Let's get started on this culinary adventure. The heart of any great pho is its broth, and we're making it easy. Start with 4 to 6 cups of good quality beef broth or stock. Next, toast whole spices like 3-star anise pods, 4 cloves, and 1 cinnamon stick until fragrant. Char 1 onion half and a 2-inch piece of ginger directly over a flame or in a dry pan. Combine these with the broth and simmer for about 30 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Now let's prepare the noodles and meat. For the noodles, choose fresh or dried flat rice noodles, about 1/4 inch wide. Cook them al dente following the package instructions, then rinse and set aside. For the meat, thinly slice about 8 ounces of raw beef, such as sirloin or eye of round, against the grain. If you prefer cooked meat, use thinly sliced, pre-cooked brisket or flank steak for convenience. This ensures tender bites in every spoonful. Finally, it's time to assemble your easy pho. Divide the cooked rice noodles among 4 large serving bowls. Arrange the thinly sliced raw beef over the noodles. The hot broth will cook it perfectly. If using cooked meat, add it now. Ladle the piping hot, strained broth over everything. Finish with fresh garnishes like bean sprouts, basil, cilantro, sliced jalapenos, and a squeeze of lime. Enjoy your homemade, easy pho.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.